In this video, I will show you how to get paid $2,000 free PayPal money without doing anything, which is a brand new method in 2021. All you want to do is watch this entire video and follow the steps in this tutorial to earn this pure passive income again and again. The best thing is that this method is very easy and available all over the world. If you don't follow all the steps and pay close attention, you may not make any money at all. So, please pay very close attention to the end of the video. The website we are going to use today takes care of content creation. If you are wondering about the name of this website, I have given a link in the description, but don't worry, you don't have to start an Instagram page to start earning money. Now, I am going to tell you how we can make money using this website, along with an additional website in upcoming steps. Before that, please like the video, to which I have put a lot of effort. Now, I want you to go over a website known as Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a very popular website that provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. If you search for business infographic and select social media design in the category, you will get these results. All these sellers are selling business infographics to many customers every single day. Let's check this seller who has completed 140 orders and is selling at $5, which means that he has made over $700. But that's not what he is actually making from selling these infographics. If you click on his gig, you will see that he is only selling 50 infographics for $5. Now, I want you to take a look at this previous website that gives us 1000 plus infographics which we can sell at $25. Let's take a look at this gig, which has already completed 241 orders. If we average all these plans, we can say that he made over $2,500 by selling these infographics. All we have to do is buy that 1000 plus infographics bundle, whose actual price is $50. But now you can own that bundle with as low as $15. So, you just have to buy this bundle, sign up to Fiverr, and post your gig, which will only take 10 minutes for you to start making money online. Now, I am going to give long-term advice, which you can ignore if you don't like it. There are lots of Instagram business pages that are uploading these infographics and gaining thousands of followers every single day. So, if you want to buy this bundle, you can either sell it on Fiverr or you can upload ready-made templates on your own Instagram page. The bonus tip I wanted to share is that if you don't want to upload these on Instagram, you can DM to the pages which need these templates and sell these infographics. That's it. This is how you can get $2,000 free PayPal money without doing any hard work. But before you go, make sure you have subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on, so that you won't miss our next videos. Also, please help me reach 100 likes on this video. I hope to see you in the next videos.